Now this is trachea portion, which is also known as windpipe. It provides passes for air. This trachea is divided into subparts. These are known as bronchus. Now this trachea is divided into bronchioles. Now this trachea is divided into bronchus. And these bronchus are divided into bronchioles. These bronchioles have a sac-like structure at the terminal portion of this, which is known as alveolar sac, where alveoli is present. These alveoli are responsible for gaseous exchange, or it is the main site of gaseous exchange. This is right lung. This is left lung. Lungs are made up of two types of layer. First one is, or outer one is, parietal pleura, while the inner one is visceral pleura. The outer layer is known as parietal pleura, while the inner one is, the space between these two layers are known as, our left lung is divided into two lobes, while our right lung is divided into three lobes. Between both lungs a space is present. This is known as heart space, where heart is present. Now we will discuss about the respiratory system through flow chart, or we can say passes of air. Passes of air. Now it starts with nostrils. Nostrils are hole-like structure and present in pair form. These nostrils are open into nasal chamber. This nasal chamber is divided into three parts. First one is vestibular region. This is the anterior part of nasal chamber, and it contains hair and oil glands. While the second one is respiratory region. Which is coated by pseudo-stratified columnar ciliated granular epithelium, and its function is filtration of air. While third one is olfactory region. It receives smell. It contains Schneiderian membrane. Now this nasal chamber open into internal layers, and these nasal chamber open into internal layers, and these layers open into pharynx. This is the common pathway for food and air. This pharynx is divided into three parts. First one is oropharynx, which is related to food. Second one is nasopharynx. This is related to nasal chamber. While the third one is laryngopharynx. This is related to larynx. Now this pharynx are open into larynx. This pharynx is open into larynx. This is also known as voice box. This is responsible for producing voice. This larynx is made up of four cartilages. First one is thyroid cartilage. This is present, uh, it is largest cartilage and C-shaped cartilage, while the second one is cricoid cartilage. It is cygnet ring-shaped structure. Third one is arytenoid cartilage. Third one is arytenoid cartilage. This is present in 2 number or in pair form, and it is pyramid form structure. Now, fourth one is Sartorini cartilage. It is also present in pair form. This larynx is open into trachea or windpipe. These trachea have C-shaped cartilage. These trachea have C-shaped cartilage which protect trachea to collapse when air is not present in this area or in trachea, protecting from collapsing. Now this trachea is open into lungs. In lungs, respiration or gaseous exchange takes place. Our lungs are covered by 2 layers or pleural membrane. Outer membrane is known as parietal pleura, while the inner membrane is known as visceral pleura. Our right lung is divided into 3 lobes, while our left lung is divided into 2 lobes. Gaseous exchange takes place in lungs portion, where alveolar sacs or the first bronchioles are present, and these bronchioles are divided into, or the bottom or terminal part of these bronchioles have sac-like structure, which is known as alveolar sacs. Where alveoli are present, these alveoli are main site for exchange of gases. Now this is tracheal tree. Trachea is divided into 2 bronchus. One is left bronchus and second one is right bronchus. These bronchus are open into bronchioles or form a small tube-like structure. These are known as bronchioles. These bronchioles open into alveolar sac. Here, gaseous exchange occur.